Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic farmhouse decor is a cozy and charming interior style that blends old-fashioned elegance with rustic country warmth. It is all about mixing vintage elements like antique furniture and time-worn treasures with the relaxed, welcoming vibe of a farmhouse. Mood and feel comfortable, inviting, and nostalgic evokes the charm of simpler times and solo living. Perfect for people who love romantic, rustic, and meaningful spaces. What fantastic farmhouse decor truly means. Vintage represents the beauty of the past, charming, meaningful, and nostalgic. Every vintage piece tells a story: a chipped ceramic jug, an old sewing machine, a worn trunk. The vintage in this style follows imperfection and history of a sleek modernism. Farmhouse evokes simplicity, nature, home-ground comfort, symbolize humble rural living, warmth, and connection to the earth. Inspired by traditional country homes with natural materials and useful items that also look beautiful. Next, Chic adds a feminine softness, elegance, and polish. Our farmhouse can feel rugged. Chics makes a graceful and refined. Think soft ruffles, floral cushions, vintage lace, elegant candeliers. Together, the style becomes a poetic blend of rustic, romantic, and refined. Emotions and inspiration. Fantastic farmhouse decor creates a space that feels rooted in history, yet fresh and comforting. Peaceful and cozy, like a warm hug from the past, romantic and soulful, filled with delicate and meaningful details, earthy and real, not overstyled or overly perfect. Room by room styling ideas. Bedroom. Use iron or wooden bed frame layered with coins and embroidered pillows, with floral wallpaper or soft pastel painted walls. Painted side tables and dressers, distressed dressers, hanging lace curtains or soft cotton wraps. Next, dining area. Reclaimed old farmhouse table with mismatched vintage chairs. Use messengers, centerpieces, or dried flowers. Also use open shelves, displaying old china and enamelware. Iron light fixtures or candlelight with a vintage finish. Next, kitchen decor. Use white or cream cabinets with brass or bronze sapphire. Also use open shelving with stacked vintage dishes, mixing bowls, and old utensils. Open baskets and wooden cloths for storage. Apron from sink, also called farmhouse sink. Next, living room. Use overstuffed linen sofa with floral or ticking striped cushions. A distressed coffee table with chippy paint. Use vintage trunk or crutch used for storage and decor. Use old books, candles, and antique mirrors to add charm. Common materials and textures: reclaimed wood, old iron, chipped porcelain, soft cotton, linen, and lace, galvanized metal, rattan, wicker, and burlap. symbols and motifs, florals, soft and timeless, symbolizing grace and wit, birds, bees, and butterflies, presenting natural simplicity and transformation. Hearts and scrolls add feminine and vintage charm, with lavender or herbs, eco-rural farm life. Decorating tips to achieve the look: mix don't match, combine different materials and finishes, new with old, rough with soft. Embrace patina, don't add flaws, cracks, chips. Embrace patina, don't add flaws, cracks, chips, and or add soul. Their textures combine oud, linen, lace, and metal for richness. Personalize with sentiment. Use family heirlooms, vintage photos, or handmade crafts. Let the decor tell a story. Let each piece reflect memories, not just trends. Lifestyle elements. Fantastic farmhouse is not just how a home looks, it is how it feels and functions. Cooking in cast iron and displaying your utensils in crocks. Using hot you have old crafts for storage, teacups for planters. Writing letters or journaling at a vintage desk. Growing herbs or flowers in vintage tins and weathered pots. Lighting candles or oil lamps in the evening for calm ambience. Doing laundry with linen aprons, baskets, and handmade soaps. This decor supports a mindful, meaningful, and cozy lifestyle. Creative styling ideas. Here are some thoughtful ways to use fantastic farmhouse elements in your home. DIY project. Turn old windows into mirror frames. Paint and distress furniture using chalk paint. Create a floral garland with charred roses or lavender. Sew linen slipcovers or patchwork pillows. Make wall art using vintage book pages or set musics. Gallery wall themes. Mix antique frames with botanical prints and old family photos. Include handwritten recipes, raised talis, or praised flowers. Mini styling spots. Even a small space can embrace this style. A teenage reading nook with floral cushions and a crocheted drop. A counter with a vintage lamp, teacup, planters, and old books. A bathroom shelf with a ruffled curtain and lavender in a messenger. Why people love this style? Because it is timeless, not trendy. It celebrates imperfections and authenticity. It lets you repurpose and reuse with love. It brings warmth, memories, and emotional connection to a space. It offers speed and simplicity in a fast digital world. Philosophy behind the style. Fantastic farmhouse decor is not just about aesthetics. It is a way of life. It values history over hype. All things are not discarded. They are honored and given new purpose. simplicity over status. It is not about flashy trend, but about what is real, useful, and beautiful in a quite meaningful way. Imperfection over polish, a chipped mug or weathered table, shows character, not flaw. Each reflects the mindset of someone who slows down, appreciated detail, and finds joy in small, soulful things. Sensory atmosphere. Fantastic Farmhouse Decor touches all five senses: visual, faded floral fabrics, hand-lettered signs, antique glaze, muted colors like dusty rose, faded shades, buttercream, gentle golden light filtered through cotton, or lace curtains. Sound. Cracking wood floors or soft hum for a winter's fan. Gentle music from an old radio or gramophone. The quiet rustle of pages, fabric, or dried flowers. Smell lavender scents in jars, beeswax candles or fresh baked bread, old books and fresh cut cotton roses. That rough burlap, soft crochet, smooth enamel weathered oud, thick quartz and hand-stitched linens. Taste. Simple, wholesome food served in mismatched vintage china. This space feels lifting, soulful, and intimate, like stepping into a comforting memory. Layered color stories. Color in Fantastic Farmhouse Decor is not bold, it is poetic. Base colors, white, cream, warm gray, create a soft canvas. Accent colors, faded blues, dusty pinks, rose green, pale lavender, and romance. Deep tones, oded browns, rusty reds, antique browns, and earthiness and ace. You are not just painting walls, you are layering emotion into the space. Sustainability and soul. This decor style naturally promotes eco-conscious living. Reusing and repurposing old furniture, clothes, bottles, tools. Natural materials, cotton, oat, linen, ceramic, glass. DIY mindset. Making your own decor instead of buying mass product goods. Minimal waste. Decorating with items that already have life and purpose. It reflects a gentler footprint on the earth and a deeper connection to it. Reflection of personality. If you love Fantastic Farmhouse Decor, you are probably a romantic soul who sees beauty in the everyday. Someone who values memories, quiet moments, and handmade things. Someone who enjoys mixing the elegance of the past with the comfort of today. A creative spirit who enjoys treasures, hunting, crafting, or storytelling through space. It is not about having a perfect home. It is about having a home that feels loved, lived in, and soulful. The emotional soul of Fantastic Farmhouse Decor. This style is more than pretty lace and old oud. It is about emotionally grounding yourself in a place that remembers, nurtures, and heals. It whispers of nostalgia. Every chipped enamel bowl or own book tells a story of time, past and hands before yours. Safety, a space that wraps around you like a grandmother's hug. Romance, not in flossy scents, but in quiet gestures, a single rose in an old glass, a handwritten letter on a shelf. Stillness, a reminder that it is okay to slow down, breathe, and be present. You don't decorate to impress, you decorate to feel. The poetic language of the space. Imagine this as a poem. Your home writers through light, shadow, and scent. Sunlight spills through linen curtains, softly kissing the cracked porcelain pitcher. A breeze lifts a ruffle on a winter slipcover. Lavender and stories mingle in the air. This decor turns everyday life into a work of art, a living poem, a solo ritual. A fantastic farmhouse home quietly tells guests, "Come in, sit down, you are loved here. You are welcome to rest. Nothing has to be perfect, only meaningful." I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.